Iloilo City is one of the cities in the Philippines which is most visited by tourists and foreigners. Due to the progress of Iloilo City, there are many foreigners who like to invest for business, like Chinese, Koreans, and Indians. One of these business-minded people are Indian Filipinos who are Philippine citizens of Indian descent. This refers to Filipino citizens of either pure or mixed Indian descent currently residing in the country. The latter are a result of intermarriages between the Indians and local populations. As you travel around Iloilo, you can witness many different kinds of restaurants, cafes, and more dining places in the city. One of those is the Indian restaurant FTI or Flag Taste of India, located at DB Ledesma Street, Haro, Iloilo City, and is owned by the Indian national Mr. Jaggi, who resides in Calibo, Aklan. FTI has 3 branches in Boracay, Antique, and Iloilo. Flag Taste of India opened and started its service last May 2 this year and offers diverse kind of cuisines like Indian, Filipino, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and Russian. The question is, who is behind these lavish recipes? Meet Mr. Kamaljit Singh, an Indian Filipino who resides in the Philippines for 7 years. He was once a photographer and videographer in India. As he pursued his passion in cooking, he came to the Philippines to serve as a cook to their church in Indian Sikh temple in Marikina for 5 years, and was requested by his fellow Indians to be the master chef of Flag Taste of India in Iloilo. And now, he's serving not only his kind, but Ilonggos here in the city for 2 years. Let's delve into their menus. FTI specialties are Samosa, Roti, Paneer Pakora, Lassi, Kofta, Biryani, Dai, and more. Now mga katatak, let's watch and learn from Mr. Kamaljit Singh as he brings us to his kitchen. One of their specialties is samosa. Samosa is a fried or baked pastry with savory filling such as spiced potatoes, onions, peas, lentils, and sometimes ground lamb, ground beef, or ground chicken. Korra are created by taking one or two ingredients such as onion, eggplant, potato, spinach, plantain, paneer, cauliflower, tomato, chili pepper, or occasionally bread or chicken and dipping them in a batter of gram flour and then deep frying them. Roti. Roti is an Indian bread made from stone-ground wholemeal flour, traditionally known as the atta flour, that originated and is consumed in India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Chicken is a popular Indo-Chinese dish of chicken. In India, this may include a variety of dried chicken preparations.
Ano yung FTI at bakit FTI ang pangalan ng restaurant?
FTI means Flag Taste of India or Indian food. Kaya nakalagay na pangalan dito, FTI.
At sino yung may-ari?
May-ari ito, si pangalan niya Jaggi, Indian siya. Doon siya nakatira sa Kalibo. Minsan pupunta-punta siya dito. 3 na branch kami, isa dito sa Iloilo, isang Boracay, isang Antique. Dito sa Indian food, then tapos yung Boracay, Filipino food, then iba-iba, Japanese, Korean, lahat na food meron.
bakit nagkaroon ng resto na Taste of India? Ano ang nagpursige sa may-aring?
Kasi kulang na dito sa Indian food eh. Marami na gusto sila kain Indian foods, kahit na Filipino, kahit iba ka like foreigner. Gusto sila makain sa Indian food. Tapos Indian din, gusto sila labas lang kain. Kasi ibang lasa sa bahay, iba na sa restaurant. Kaya na gusto sila marami kain dito sa Indian. Kulang na dito restaurant sa Indian. So gawa na kami dito sa restaurant. So marami na dito kain sa Indian, Filipino, tapos yung iba-iba.
Ano yung specialty ng FTI?
Special, marami na kain dito po sa Samosa tawag sa Indian namin. Parang empanada dito sa Filipino, lagi ng garbanzos or radish and sauce, saluyas. Yan lang.
Message mo sa mga viewers?
O sige, sabi ko na sino nanood ito sa Indian, Filipino, kahit iba foreigner. Pupunta na kayo dito sa kain sa Indian food. Tikim kayo para masarap na luto talaga. Punta na kayo. Invite ako sa iyo na lahat. Sino na ako. Okay.
Not only Indians, foreigners, but also Filipinos, especially Ilonggos, dine here in Flag Taste of India to savor the sumptuous Indian cuisine.
There's no way to say this song's about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms, I start to lose myself. Someone please pass me my shades. Don't let them see me down. You have taken over my days, so tonight I'm going out. Yet I'm feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I only spoiled the party anyway. Cause all the girls are looking fine, but you're the only one on my mind. La-di-dee, la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-di-dee, la-da-da-do, there's only me, there's only you. La-di-dee, la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-di-dee, la-da-da-do, when you were gone I think of you. All this place is packed with people, but your face is all I see.